Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install Windows on VirtualBox on Mac. First, we need to download the Windows 10 ISO file. First, we need to download VirtualBox to run Windows on a Mac. Select the Mac OS version. The install will fail because there is an extension that you need to allow. Now do the install process again. Now we need to open VirtualBox and start making the virtual machine. You can name the virtual machine whatever you want. Just make sure the bottom two drop-downs are Microsoft Windows and Windows 10. The more memory you use, the faster the virtual machine will be. The more processor cores you use, the faster the virtual machine will be. Find the Windows 10 ISO file you downloaded from the Microsoft website. Click Start to start the virtual machine. Click on the virtual machine and press Enter on the 64-bit version. This tells Windows to boot off the 64-bit version of the installer. If you have a product key, you can enter it here. The drive that is on this list is the virtual drive created by VirtualBox. To enter full screen, press the full screen button and click Switch. You can set it up however you want from here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.